Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to know if an eBay seller is legit. Thinking of buying something on eBay but not sure if the seller is trustworthy? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to spot a legit eBay seller so you can shop with confidence and avoid scams. Now let's start by following these few simple steps. The first step is to check the seller's feedback score. And to do that, you're gonna have to click on the seller's username and look for a high score, for example 98% or more, and hundreds of or thousands of reviews, and avoid sellers with low feedback or many negatives. To see that, we're gonna go to eBay. We're gonna click on a products. Let's look for products, for example. We're gonna choose this one right here. And let's look for the buyer. As you can see here, this buyer, this is the username for the buyer, and this buyer has a 98.9% positive reviews, and he has over 1430 review. As you can see, you can consider this buyer as a legit buyer. And remember, avoid sellers with low feedback or many negative reviews. The second step is to read the reviews. You can scroll through the buyer's feedback and look for the keywords like items as described, fast shipping, or great communication. And be cautious if there are reviews saying fake products or never received. Let's look for the reviews here. Here you can see the seller's feedback. As you can see, as described, items was here, as described, etc. The third step is to check the listing details. A legit seller will post clear photos and detailed description and return policies. Just scroll into the products page, and here like item specification, the information, etc. Make sure you view the pictures like this. The fourth step is to see if they are an eBay top rated seller. Look for the top rated seller badge. It means the seller meets eBay's high standards for service and shipping. And this was it for today's tutorial. Now you're ready to buy with peace of mind. Stick with sellers who's been active for at least 6 months. If in doubt, message the seller to test how fast and clearly they respond. And always use PayPal or eBay checkout. You're protected that way. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.